Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine at your home. Welcome in a maths class of grade 1. So as you all know that we have been almost completed chapter 1. So today we will start worksheet. Before we start worksheet, there is a quick revision of chapter 1, some main points. In chapter 1, we learnt number 1 to 10, number name 1 to 10, comparing number greater than, smaller than, and equal to, in which we learn that we always show greater than by this, because greater than means go right, and lesser than will show by this, because in lesser than we use our left hand, and when the both number are same, then we put the sign equal to. Next concept is more and less, which is based on the quantity. When the quantity of the object is big, then we use more, and when the quantity of the object is small, then we use less. Next concept is after, before, and between. If we want after number, then we have to go forward direction, and if we want before number, then we have to go backward direction. Now increasing and decreasing order. In increasing order, we always arrange the numbers in small to big, and in decreasing order, we always arrange the numbers in big to small order. Now ordinal and cardinal number. Ordinal number tells us about the rank, about the position, or about the order of the number, whereas cardinal number tells us about the quantity of the object. So let's start the worksheet of chapter 1. So this is the worksheet. Now let's start. Question number 2. Count and write the number of object if the set has more object. In this, we have to count the number of the object and tick the set which has more objects. Let's count the object. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the number of balloons are 4. Now count these balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balloons. So it's obviously that number 6 is more than 4, because the quantity of the object of the balloon is large here. So this number is more than this number. So we will tick this set. So same question you will have to do by yourself to use this concept. Now question number 3. Count the number of toys in each set and fill in the blanks. In this, you have to count the number of rabbits, and then you have to tell me that which set has more rabbits and how many more. Okay, now count the rabbits in set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the set A, the number of rabbits are 6. Whereas the number of rabbits in set B are 1, 2. So now set A has how many more rabbits than set B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A has 4 more rabbits than set B. Now which set is greater? As you all can see that set A has 6 rabbits and set B has 2 rabbits. So set A is greater than set B. Now come on the question number 3. So let's start from the question number 4. Count and compare the stars or color the less one. So again we will use the same concept of more or less, and in this we count the number of stars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the number of stars are 7. Now count these stars 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the number of stars are 4. Again the number 7 is more than the 4, then the 7 is bigger than the 4, or as you can say the quantity of the stars is big here than this. So this here than this. So this stars has less numbers, so we will color these stars. Now question number 5. Put the correct sign. In this we have to put the correct sign of greater than, lesser than and equal to. So come on the question number A. In this there are two numbers 2 and 4, and we all know that alligator always eat bigger number. So 4 is bigger than the 2. So we will put the sign, this sign, because alligator always eat bigger number. Okay. Now there are two numbers 3 and 6. Which number is bigger? 6 number is bigger. So we will put this sign. The mouth of alligator will open to the number 6. Now come to the question number C. In this there are two numbers 7 and 4. Now which number is bigger? 7 number is bigger, so alligator will eat this number. Now come on the question number D. Here there are two numbers and both numbers are same, so we will put the sign of equal to. Again you will have to do exercise question number E and F by yourself to using the concept of greater than, less than and equal to. Now come on the question number 6. Write numbers before, between and after. So to identify the before, between and after number, firstly we will make the scale from 0 to 10 and then we will solve these questions. Now come on the exercise number 1. Which number comes before the given numbers? In this you have to tell which number comes before the given numbers. So here in question number A the given number is 5. Now which number comes before 5? For this we have to go backward. And as you can see the number 4 comes before 4. Now again question number B. Here the given number is 4. Now which number comes before 4? We will have to again go backward. Number 3. Number 3 comes before 4. Same concept will be applied on question number C, D, E and F. So you will have to do by yourself. Now exercise number 2. Which number comes between the given numbers? Now here we will have to tell the between number. So which number comes between 2 and 4? 3. Which number comes between 7 and 9? Between 7 and 9? 8. Which number comes between 6 and 8? 7. So same concept will be applied on question number D, E and F. Now come to the exercise number E. Which number comes after the given numbers? Here the given number is 3. So which number comes after 3? For this we have to go in forward direction. And so which number comes after 3? Number 4. Now the given number in question number B, the given number is 6. Now which number comes after 6? For this we will have to go in forward direction. So number 7 will come after 6. Now which number comes after 8? Number 9. Okay, number 9 will come after 8. Same concept will be applied on D, E and F. Now come on the question number 7. Arrange the number in increasing order right inside the balloon. In this, we have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. And we all know that the increasing order means small to big. So, first we will solve the exercise number 1. In exercise number 1, the numbers are 6, 4, 3, 8. Now, firstly we will find the smallest number. The smallest number is 3. So, firstly we will write number 3 in start. After that, which number is big than the 3? 4. So we will write 4. Which number is bigger than the 4? 6. So we will write 6. Which number is bigger than the 8? It's bigger than the 6? 8. So we will write 8. So firstly we will find the smallest number, and then we will find the bigger number than the bigger and big and bigger number. So same concept will be applied on question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, and you have to write inside the balloon. Now question number 8. In question number 8, the boat sails when the numbers are arranged in decreasing order. Make boat sails in sea. So in this, you have to arrange the numbers in decreasing order, and we all know that the decreasing order means we have to arrange the numbers in big to small. So let's solve this question number 1. Here the numbers are 10, 8, 9, 4. As it's decreasing order, so firstly we will find the biggest number. The biggest numbers is 10. So we will write 10 number first. Then we will find out the number small than the 10 is 9. So we will write 9. And which number is small than the 9 is 8. So we will write 8. Now which number is small than the 8 is 4. So we will write 4. So by this we will solve this question. By this concept we will solve this question, and same concept will be applied on question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the question number 9. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. This question basically concept of ordinal number. So in this question we have to use the concept of ordinal number. There are 4 students: Venu, Irfan, Tina and Sia. The position of Venu has been given already, and the position of Tina has been given already. The position of Venu is first and the position of Tina is third. So Irfan is standing just next to the Venu, so the position of Irfan is second and the position of Sia is fourth. Now by this we have to solve these questions and fill the right answer. Question number 1, dash is the first in the picture. Who is first in the picture? Venu. So we will write Venu is the first in the picture. Is the second in the picture? Who is second in the picture? Irfan. So Irfan is second in the picture. Now who is third in the picture? Tina. Tina is third in the picture. Okay, so in this we will use the ordinal number from 1st to 10th. So this is the whole summary of your worksheet, and the remaining questions you have to do by yourself to using this concept. Thank you for staying with me.